Computer hardware parts. Monitor. Displays the visual output from the computer. Keyboard. Used to type text and give commands to the computer. Mouse. Helps to move the pointer and select items on the screen. CPU processor. Processes all instructions and runs programs. Motherboard. Connects all parts of the computer together. RAM memory. Stores data temporarily for fast access. Hard disk HDD. Stores data permanently like files, software, and operating system. SSD solid-state drive. Provides faster permanent storage than HDD. Power supply PSU. Supplies electricity to the computer parts. Graphics card GPU. Renders images, videos, and games. Sound card. Processes audio input and output. Cooling fan. Keeps the computer parts cool. Heat sink. Absorbs and disperses heat from the processor. Optical drive CD, DVD. Reads and writes CDs or DVDs. Network card. Connects the computer to the internet or a network. Case system unit. Holds and protects all the internal components. Speakers. Produce sound output. Microphone. Captures sound input. Webcam. Captures video and images. Printer. Prints documents and pictures on paper. Scanner. Converts paper documents into digital form. USB flash drive. Portable device for storing and transferring files. External hard drive. Provides extra storage outside the computer. Laptop battery. Supplies power to laptops when not plugged in. Touchpad. Used in laptops to control the pointer. Charger, adapter. Provides power and charges the laptop battery. Ethernet cable. Connects the computer to wired internet. HDMI cable. Transfers high-quality video and audio to displays. Headphones. Allow private listening to sound. Projector. Displays computer images on a large screen. Subscribe my YouTube channel.